This is the last non-heat recovery chiller example. This is another chilled water system. Keith, would you comment on this one first?
Yeah, this
Yeah.
would probably be applicable more for some of the larger facilities as you look at it. Again, this starts with a gas-fired chiller, but instead of the closed loop systems, it's going to a cooling tower, and so it just another way of doing the heat rejection. But one of the advantages of this particular chiller, like the first example, is the heat recovery portion of it. So it really is very, very similar to the two other designs, just a different concept for the HVAC side of it.